A common doubt that I get often by my students is that I've just done my bachelor's in arts, science, tech, but I'm not sure where to go after that. I mean, I'm already working in a company, but I would still want more growth. I always suggest them, why not law? If you are an accountant, if you are an engineer, okay, or if you are simply an artist or a writer, anybody and everybody could do law. Okay, if you've clicked on this video, then कुछ तो सोच के दबाया है. क्या सोचा था? Stick to that. Stick to that, because I will now convince you further as to why law. So, this is Jessica from Tarka Shastra, and this is why law. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. The obvious representation of the lawyers in the Bollywood. Okay, I think that is one major marketing where a lot of lawyers are convinced in the first place. Okay, oh, I've seen this movie, I've seen Jolly LLB, huh? I want to be like Akshay Kumar. I want to bring social justice. I want to bring change. You see some big films, maybe like Suits. सूट्स देखा है मैंने HBO पे, and boy do they look fancy, and I want to be one of them. Okay, that is why maybe you've now decided, now I want to do law. Okay, it is not too late. Even if you've done your bachelor's, you can do law. You can still do law. If you've done your master's, you can still do law. Okay, if you're in school, you can still do law. Anybody and everybody can do law. Okay, there are multiple exams for 3-year law. Okay, we will make a video on that as well. But first convince तो हो जाओ why law. Law करके करना क्या है? Exam के लिए appear करके करोगे क्या? I'll help you out. There are multiple prospects. I will discuss the most popular prospects for 3-year law. Okay. First, before we jump to why law, let's address to who should do law. Okay, even if you're still in two minds, law is maybe not for me. Let me convince you that you could potentially be a great applicant for law. If you've got good communication skills, okay, if you possess logical thinking, if you're interested in career growth, if you are an avid reader, if you're interested in social issues and politics, or if you're interested in conflict resolution, bringing justice and fairness in the society, then law is for you. Law is for everybody who's an avid reader, who can read a lot, because law requires a lot of reading. Let me tell you, big cases you have to read and research, okay? You have to be logical because you have to oppose your defendant, okay? So you need to have strong arguments, okay? You obviously have to need to have good communication skills, okay? You are supposed to be interested in social issues and politics. Or if you're just in a company right now and probably are looking for something, a bigger package, a bigger salary, a bigger role, then you can also get it through law. Oh, yeah, of course. How did I miss out the most obvious one? I mean, we've still got so many people desiring for that government job. This is a key for you to get your government job. UPSC की लाइन बहुत बड़ी है बॉस. लॉ से घुस जाएगा. Okay, UPSC is too competitive now. Okay, you can also easily get into government job through your law program. Okay, the most obvious you must remember, too many people want to do civil service. Okay, but therefore demand for good lawyers is way more than the supply of good lawyers. Okay, way more. So there's a higher chance of you to become a lawyer. The other things that you can become, the first one is you can take the route of litigation and become a lawyer. There are other prospects as well, like corporate law, government service, academia, NGOs, all of that. तो यही सब डिस्कस करेंगे, बट सबके पर्क्स और कॉन्स देख के. ठीक है, क्या प्रोफेशन क्या प्रॉमिस कर रहा है, विल डिस्कस ऑल ऑफ दैट इन डिटेल, ओके, एक एक करके। ऑब्वियसली इनके अलावा भी और होते हैं, यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन आरबी, okay, you can join so many other things through law. Okay, so this is just a gateway, but these are the most popular jobs that you can get after 3-year law. First you can practice litigation. Litigation यानी वो जो lawyer जो जॉली LLB में दिखाता है ना, जो proper suit would they wear a proper apparel and fight cases in the civil courts, those are civil lawyers. Okay, so you can be a civil lawyer, or you can be a criminal lawyer, or you can be a taxation lawyer as well. Okay, starting point is usually you begin slow, you begin as an assistant, as a junior advocate, and then with time, with experience, you become a senior lawyer. Okay, career progression, again, similar, through practical experience only, you can become senior lawyer. Okay, there are obviously long-term benefits. भाई government job है, तो benefits तो होगा ही. Okay, a lot of benefits, rewards, and obviously recognition. शर्मा जी के बेटे को देखो, उसकी तो नौकरी लग गई है, गवर्नमेंट नौकरी, वो भी लॉयर है वो. Such good recognition you will be getting. Okay, unlimited potential. Okay, impactful work, and obviously financial rewards. वो तो है ही, वो तो हर नौकरी में है, पर इसमें थोड़े ज़्यादा है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये गवर्नमेंट की नौकरी है. Okay, higher earnings as well as soon as you become a senior advocate or even a partner in a firm. If you want to open a private firm and you become a partner, obviously you will earn way more. Okay, so all of these are points that will help you decide, oh, is litigation for me? Okay, think about it. Why not? Think about it, take your time. Next, corporate law. See, if you don't care about the impact, if you just, अगर सिर्फ जेब भरनी है ना, सिर्फ इससे मतलब है ना, I think corporate law is for you. It is for you. Because good money, wonderful money, but long working hours. Please remember that. बहुत काम कराते हैं यार, बहुत ज़्यादा. 9 to 5 तो सिर्फ कहते हैं, 9 to 9, कभी 9 to 11 भी काम करवाते हैं. So if you're preparing for this, kindly embrace for this fact. Okay, obviously you will get to work with leading law firms and companies. अगर खुद की कंपनी चालू करनी है, पहले you will start like that. Then it's a dream career for many. Why? Because it's a very good paying job. Okay, you can easily earn 14 to 16 lakh per annum. Okay, initially. Obviously इसके बाद बढ़ेगा, but initially you can easily earn 14 to 16 lakh. Challenges, I just said, long working hours, बहुत काम करवाते हैं, पर तो क्या हुआ? There are diverse areas where you can practice. It is completely fine. You can go in corporate, you can go in intellectual property, या फिर compliance में चलेगा. Diversity, private है ना, diversity होती है इसमें. Okay, again, गवर्नमेंट का करियर लैडर चढ़ने में कभी टाइम, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में का करियर लैडर चढ़ने में कभी टाइम लग जाता है. प्राइवेट में ना, it's swift. If you work hard and if you bring results, your career growth is promised. Okay, so if you're looking for good career growth, this is a good option for you. And obviously you will be meeting wonderful clients. Okay, amazing people. So good networking also for you. If you have bigger plans, okay, if you are looking to build networks, wonderful job for you. दो डिस्कस किया, litigation and corporate lawyer, the most popular ones. और भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब है, सिर्फ लिटिगेशन या सरकारी लॉयर बनने के अलावा भी बहुत गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स है. ओके, यू कैन बिकम अ जज, फॉरगेट लॉयर, जुडिशरी का एग्जाम दो और जुडिशरी में अपियर करो और जज बनो सीधा. अगेन, गुड पैकेज, गुड सिक्योरिटी, एवरीथिंग. गवर्नमेंट जॉब है तो जॉब सिक्योरिटी तो वंडरफुल. वर्किंग आवर्स प्रॉब्लम ओनली इन प्राइवेट जॉब. In government job, you don't have to even stress about that. Obviously, perks तो होते ही हैं. You can also participate in civil services. Okay, work a little then easily give UPSC. अगर आप इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो यूपीएससी का काफ़ी सिमिलर ही होता है. सो फिर अगर बाद में फिर भी लगे कि यार यूपीएससी ही देना चाहिए तो दे सकते हो, दे सकते हो, क्यों नहीं? यूपीएससी में तो आपके इंटरव्यू में बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा कि इफ दे फाइंड आउट दैट यू ऑलरेडी अ लॉयर. Okay, public prosecutor, government counsel, sector undertakings, even there you can find a job for yourself. Okay, again government job hai, so this is an important feature. Job security to hogi hi hogi. Okay, impactful roles, you will do a job that will make you feel I'm doing something, I'm making a change. Okay, it will give you a good sleep at night. Okay, if that is what you're looking for, then this is for you. Government job and litigation is for you. Okay, work life balance again, because not too much work, okay, not too long working hours. And again, pension तो है ही, pension तो मिलेगी ही, तो वो तो है ही. ठीक है. Next, NGOs. I don't care about the money. I don't care about the money. I want the impact. Then NGOs is for you. Okay, you can always work in NGOs. They always look for lawyers who work at pro bono basis. Okay, research organizations and think tanks, international organizations like UN and non-UN organizations. Okay, NGOs, your local NGOs, your national NGOs. Okay, LLM advantage. If you get an LLM degree, then you will also get an added advantage. Internships, all of this. When you do all of this, you will again feel like I'm making a big impact. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में लगेगा सैलरी के लिए आ रही है ना, तो मैं शायद सैलरी के लिए कर रहा हूँ. एनजीओ में तो इट्स कम्प्लीटली प्रो बोनो. So you're completely doing it because you feel like it. You're doing it to serve the humanity because you're an altruist. If that is why you want to do law, if that is why you clicked on the video, please stick to it. The people like you are very rare. Very rare. You guys are gems. Okay, if you want to completely exit this capitalistic system, work for humanity, work for people, and this is for you. Be a lawyer for NGOs, sticking to the same line of altruism, of helping other people out. Okay, yeah, helping other people out is good, but for survival, you need some money. Okay, I'll give you another good job that is going to serve both of these. Teacher ban jao, professor ban jao, even better, become a professor in college, in university, best esteemed universities. Okay, they always look for experienced lawyers. Okay, how? Okay, first, you obviously need to have an LLM degree. Okay, LLB करने से नहीं मिलता है, LLM करो, which is again couple of years more, and then you can easily finish your PhD and get a job as professorship. Okay, again, two things are being served. Your altruistic feeling is being satiated, and you're obviously getting money enough for survival. Okay, actually more than enough. More than enough. I'm promising you, good lawyers at good education and good researchers, they get paid very well to be the professors of good universities. Okay, obviously UGC और नेट एग्जाम हर प्रोफेसर इंडिया के बनने के लिए आपको देना ही पड़ता है, और इतना एग्जाम दिए है तो एक एग्जाम में क्या, एक और दे देना. क्या लॉ क्या दिया है? UGC नेट इज नथिंग फॉर यू. Okay, obviously many career benefits, including the compensation, global opportunities. What? Idhar ki universities? Go and teach in Ivy League. Okay, go and teach in international universities. It's fine. Okay, because teaching is universal. Everybody needs teachers. Okay, if you want to teach here, you can easily earn 1 lakh per month. Easily. Easily. Okay, and again, if you want job stability, you can join a government college. Okay, NLUs, national colleges, and secure a job that is quite safe and well paying and will pay me even after I retire. Okay, so these are all. इसमें से मैंने I've already discussed the popular ones. Here, if you're still confused and you still think none of these were for me, here, there's so many more. Litigation में You can choose criminal, so many crime documentaries you've been watching. This is an absolutely fun job. Okay, psychology, law firms, corporate advisories, mergers and acquisitions, company litigation, in-house counsel, public sector and for private sector. You can become a counselor for them. You can give them advices on legal matters. IPR for trademarks, for copyright, for patents, intellectual property किसी की बचानी है तो उसके लिए भी आप लॉयर बन सकते हैं. सिर्फ पेटेंट फाइल करने के लिए लॉयर्स होते हैं भाई. Okay, government sector, judiciary or civil services. Others be legal journalism, Bollywood lawyer also you can become. I mean, you've heard every day some or the other Bollywood actor is getting into a trouble. And but they're always ready to pay high if you are a good lawyer, if you can save them out of that trouble. Okay, so money is never a problem in law. If you can make yourself good enough of a lawyer, for that you need to get yourself into a good college. For that you need to appear for an exam. Now, what exam? I will make a video on that as well. But first, make up your mind. Okay, all of this is obviously we've covered these. So, endless careers. I mean, so many I've still not mentioned. Endless career opportunities, but first stick to it. Okay, don't still be in two minds. Research further if you're not satisfied with the video. Okay, let me know, not satisfied. Okay, research further. I will put more resources in the comments for you if you're still confused. But I think it's a wonderful job. If you want to A, earn high, or B, do not care about the money but want to make an impact, then law is for you. Appear for the exams. Okay, now some of the exams that I can name for you is there's MHCET, there's NLSAT, okay, there's DU, there's BHU. Okay, all of these colleges and their exams, they let you in on the 3-year LLB program. 3-year LLB program is different from 5-year क्योंकि 5-year होता है स्कूल के बच्चों के लिए जो जैसे ही ग्रेजुएट करते हैं वो अपना बैचलर्स भी उसी कॉलेज में करते हैं जाके, तो वो 5-year LLB करते हैं इसलिए. बट आपका तो बैचलर्स हो गया है ना. That is why your program is only called 3-year LLB. If you want to appear for the exam and if you want to ace the exam and you see yourself sitting in a really good law college, why not take our help? Hum hai na, we'll help you out. Okay, we have initiated a whole program that will completely cover the entire course of MHCT. MHCET, okay, MHCET, there are best colleges, law colleges here. There's GLC, there's ILS, and so many more colleges that you can target. Some creme de la creme crowd comes in those colleges, I'm telling you. Okay, if you see yourself there, then let us help you out because we would love to have you as our students. Okay, we are both experienced mentors. Okay, we will provide you with all of these services at merely 7,999. At merely. Okay, if you're still confused and in two minds, you can always call us for a free counseling session. We will always cover your doubts. But this is a program that we have started only for people who want to appear for this year's CET program. Okay, CET exam. Okay, we will cover almost everything from A to Z, from scratch. Okay, so TS is a good investment, I'm telling you. I know them personally. I'm telling you, it's a good investment. Tarkashastra is a wonderful institution to prepare yourself. Why? Because it has all of these services. Yet again, I don't want to waste your time. You can read them off the screen. So, count on us. Count on us if you're targeting MHCD 3-year paper for this year. We are selling it at less than your smartphone's price. Okay, we are selling you a seat in the best colleges of Mumbai, of Maharashtra, at only 7,999. So why get confused? Just call us on this number, huh? We'll sort it out. Okay, that's it. That is it. These were all the top prospects for law that offers after graduation. Okay, again, you're still confused, you can let me know. I will offer more multiple prospects. But again, it is a wonderful job, a wonderful direction you are headed into. Please stick to it. Kindly stick to it. All right, that's it. This was Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this was Why Law.